Guys, so Alina is here. Today I wanted to show you how I'm going to use the brand new Revlon styler slash straightener slash blow dryer. But before I proceed to using it, I'm going to prep my hair with the Thermal Protect Styling Shield first, then the root lifter and the thickening spray. So all these products are going to ensure that my hair is protected from heat, and I'm also getting tons of volume, which I really need for my really limp hair. Honestly, I have not been styling my hair straight a lot, just because my hair does not straighten really well. It has weird undercurl and it takes forever. So let's see how this straightener slash styler is going to do on my hair. This is the first time I'm using it, so I'm not a pro at it yet, but I think it's super easy. So a few things that I have been noticing is that the hair does not tangle when it glides through the styler. My hair normally tangles super easily, so for me that was a really cool thing, that I could just brush it out easily like that and without any tangles. It glides in smoothly and it's very easy to use. Honestly, it's so much easier than using a round brush and a blow dryer. It just makes it so simple, which is crazy. I also like the rounded brush, which means you can basically create any type of curl or wave to it on the ends. You can basically style it inside or outside, and it just makes creating so many different styles so much easier. So basically what I'm doing, I'm just separating the different sections of my hair, and I'm pretty messy doing that, honestly, and I'm just blow drying my hair. Like I would be blow drying it using the round brush and the blow dryer, but without the round brush and the blow dryer. It's like kind of like a 2-in-1 thing, and it made it super simple. And literally it took me probably under 7 minutes to blow dry my whole head of hair, which is impressive. I have never ever been able to blow dry my hair and style it in under 7 minutes. So normally what I do, I just let my hair air dry and just curl it, because it's easier, because especially in the back of my head I just get this random undercurl, which is very annoying, but it is what it is. So this styler definitely made it so much easier and so much smoother. Also, after a full day of wearing this hairstyle, I could see that it didn't go anywhere. The volume was still there on the second day. I just literally woke up, brushed out my hair, and it was good to go again. And I was really impressed. Normally on the second day, it would just go completely flat, especially, for somebody who has really fine hair like mine. So what I did, I just sprayed it with a little bit of dry shampoo to give it a little bit of volume boost and a little bit of the dry texturizing spray, and that was it. And my style was straight and smooth and fine the second day in a row. So I was really impressed with that. So if you can see, I'm doing circle, kind of lifting my hair up to give me more volume. The only thing I notice is that even on the low heat setting, it does get pretty hot. So I'm just finishing up this hairstyle super quickly, super easily, and I'm kind of trying to get my hair to curl a little bit towards my face so that I get some sort of shape. And as you can see, it's very simple, and for somebody who's just doing this on camera for the very first time, without practicing, without trying it out, you can see that how easy it is, right? If you've ever tried any type of curling device like that, it will just be super easy for you guys, honestly. Another thing that I noticed, it does not break or damage your hair as much, and it does not give you any breakage. So I was honestly super impressed with the whole process, and my first time trying it went so smooth and so easy. So I'm just finishing off my hair with some Restyle Sculpting Taffy because I do have lots of new growth coming in these little, to tame the little flyaways and stuff, and just give it myself a spray with a hairspray. And that was it, you guys. Brushed out my hair, and the style literally lasted me for 2 days. So definitely super impressed. Definitely will be using it lots, and definitely recommend for you guys to try it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.